Good morning everyone, welcome back and a big hello from the mountains of Shees. This is the newly opened Shees Park. So let's go and check out what all this park has to offer. This is the children's play area in Shees Park. Can you believe? On top of the mountain, they made a beautiful park and they have made a separate playground area for the children. And this playground is designed as such where the parents could sit on both sides and supervise their children play. It's a nice one and it's quite crowded. In Shees Park, they have really good sitting areas with nice view and with a shade and wooden benches, and you can bring your own food and make a picnic over here. Right now I'm craving for some pizza. So some basic information about this park. This park is located in the Emirate of Sharjah in Corfacan area, which is open 24 hours and the parking is free and the entry is also free. There is washroom facilities, children play area, barbecue areas and picnic areas. Weekends, as every other destination, this place is also pretty crowded, I heard. So parking could be an issue. Otherwise, on a weekday, there is no issue with parking and the roads were pretty empty. I came on a Tuesday morning. Mountain walkway in Shees Park. This stone steps is connecting to the viewing gallery on top. I think there are 3 different platforms where you can have a good view of the surrounding mountains. Now the time is 10:30 in the morning, but it's very hot. When I was driving down to this area, I was hoping to have some nice winterish kind of weather, but it's very hot. You must be wondering why am I sitting here? Quite tired. These steps are quite steep and it's very hot right now. It's 10 in the morning, but it's quite hot. So guys, that is quite a hike, I should say. That is the main viewing deck. The view is amazing. It's really nice. I'm loving this view. It's worth. I must say this was the most beautiful drive in UAE which I ever had. That 1 hour drive, it was beautiful. I reached on top of the mountain walkway. The view is amazing. Beautiful view. Good thing there is a shaded sitting area here so you can have some rest after that climbing. So I'm resting. Although not a huge country, once you leave the city, there can be some quite diverse landscapes to explore in the UAE. No need for a luxury supercar nor a 4x4 to complete most of these road trips. Set your Google Maps and let's drive. Quite popular for its unique terrain. This cheese park is located in the outskirts of Sharjah in the backdrop of Hajar Mountains. Spread over an area of 11,362 square meters, this park has an artificial waterfall also. So this is the beautiful Shees Park which is open in the month of October 2020. I hope you all like this video. If you like the video, please plan your visit to this place and let me know in the comment section how you like the place. If you like mountains and long drives, this is an ideal place for you to explore. Hope you like this video. You all take care, stay safe. See you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.